Hi everyone, Sati Crafty Daisy, and the reason I'm in my garden with a whole bunch of twigs and sticks is because I'm going to make a bowerbird nest. And male bowerbirds make a hut-like structure to attract the females, and then they decorate it with lots of colourful items like the ones I have here. For the back of the structure, I'm going to do kind of an array of sticks. It won't be too big because I have quite a lot, but some of them, most of them should be used for the actual structure. It's not, ooh, this one's pretty. I'll make it special and make it at the entrance. Because you need an entrance, it can't just be a hut. So this is what I've got so far, and you just need to keep on building until you've got enough room for at least 2 bowerbirds. It needs to be good enough so that the male bird likes it and uses it to attract the female. The female chooses it and the male bird, and then they go off and live in a nest and have little baby bowerbirds, cute little baby bowerbirds. This is the bowerbird house, but it's not finished. And now it's time to decorate it. Whilst I was making the den, I found this stick. It looks really cool. It's covered in a colourful moss. It looks a bit blue and yellow, and when you look at it this way, it kind of looks like maybe something like a caterpillar. And over here I used colourful sticks, and then just like this one, I put little mossy posts there with like a pathway leading into the den. And now let's put some really colourful items. I've got my decorative items, and I think I'm going to start by putting these really interesting leaves. Maybe like, I don't know, we should probably put them over here. Make like a red carpet for the royal bowerbirds. Oh, the royal bowerbirds. Okay. Today I made a bowerbird house. I finished it, and I think it looks really pretty with all of the conkers, the flowers, and the colourful leaves. I really like it. It has lots of different colours, and I've got some lantern-like things. They're the roses, and I think it looks really pretty. Beautiful, and I really hope that you like it as well. And bye.